Today we are taking a closer look at these super adorable solar fence lights. I did receive them as a gift, and in this video I'd like to show it to you up close and share the things that I absolutely love about it. So here's what we have included in the box. We have our user manual, we have our positioning brackets for the solar lights, and of course we have screws for installation. Installation is pretty simple. You're gonna take a bracket, you're gonna screw it to your post, and then we're gonna put our solar light on top of it. Here's we have this little hose, and then we have these things. So we're gonna go ahead, align it, and just press it down like so. What's very nice about this specific solar light is that it is made out of glass. So when it's on, the light that it reflects is so beautiful. It is just absolutely stunning. I love it. When I just received it, I placed it on my yard to charge up, and oh my goodness, I am in love with the reflection that it gives. Super easy to use. Right here we have a top, and we're gonna just twist it off. Right here we have our little switch to turn it on, and we can choose between two different modes. So we have an option of warm light or cool light. It is absolutely stunning. As you can see, it has such a pretty glow. I think the solar post is so beautiful. It looks much better in real life than on the video. I cannot stress enough how beautiful this is. I absolutely love it. Totally recommend it.